Beta exercise 1B, fundamentals of algebra. So we are solving all the questions one by one. Now, beta question number 1, the first. Beta fundamentals of algebra. Beta fundamentals of algebra exercise 1B. So we are solving all the questions one by one. So beta question number 1, the first part. Add x equals to 4, we have to find the value of 5x. So beta, we will put x equals to 4 and the answer would be 20. So this is the answer of part 1. In the same way, beta, we can solve the part 2. The part 2 is add x equals to 4. Actually, x equals to 4 is same for all the parts. We have to find the value of minus 2x. Now, minus as it is 2. The value of x is 4. So, beta, x equal. So minus 2 into 4, the value would be minus 8. This will be the answer of part 2. Now, beta, the part 3. In each question, add to x equals to 4. What we have to find, beta? X minus 5. So the value of x is 4 minus 5. So the answer would be minus 1. Hence, the answer for the third part is minus 1. I hope the solution is clear. Now, beta, we are solving the fourth part. Fourth part is add x equals to 4. We have to calculate the value of 1 upon 2x plus 3. So, beta, 1 upon 2 as it is, the x is given as 4 plus 3. Now, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So, 2 plus 3. Hence, 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So, beta, this is the answer of part number 4. Now, the question 1 is completely solved. Beta, you can see the question number 2 on the screen of your exercise B. Here, question number 2, the first part. Beta, in each question, a equals to minus 2 is given, and we have to find the value of 2a plus 4. Now, beta, 2. The value of a is minus 2 plus 4. Now, 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 4. Beta, minus 4 and plus 4 will cancel each other, and the answer will be 0. Hence, this is the answer. So this is the answer, beta. Now, beta, we are solving the part 2. The part 2 is add a equals to minus 2. We have to find the value of 7 minus 3a. Now, 7 as it is, minus 3. The value of a is minus 2. So, beta, 7, negative into negative, positive. 3 2 ja 6. Now, beta, the answer is 13. It is the answer of the second part. Now, beta, we are solving the part 3. Beta, in each part, it is given that a equals to minus 2. And in this part, we have to find value of a square plus 1. Now, the value of a is minus 2. So, minus 2 square plus 1. Beta, minus 2 square will be positive 4 plus 1. So, the answer should be 5. This is the answer of the third part. Now, beta, we are solving the fourth part. Beta, in each question, a is equal to minus 2. And in this part, we have to find the value of 4 minus a square. So, 4 as it is minus. The value of a is minus 2. And beta, we know that the value of minus 2 is positive 4. The square of minus 2 is positive 4. Now, 4 minus 4 will 0. Hence, the answer of the fourth part is 0. Beta, this is the question number 3 of your exercise B. Here, for each question, it is given that p equals to 5. And we have to find the value of 1 plus p square. Now, beta, 1 as it is, the value of p is 5. Here, 5 is square. So, 1 plus 5 plus 25. Beta, if we add all these, then we get 31. So, the answer is 31. Now, we will solve the second part. For each question, for each part, the value of p is given as 5. And here we have to find the value of 4 plus 3p minus p square. Now, 4 as it is plus 3. The value of p is 5 minus 5 square. Beta, 4 plus 15 minus 25. Beta, 4 plus 15, 19 minus 25. Now, we have to subtract 19 minus 25. So, 19 is smaller, 25 is larger number. So, the answer would be negative 6. This is the answer of the second part. Now, beta, we are solving the third part. We know that for each question, p equals to 5 is given. And we have to find the value of 5p square minus 8p. Now, 5p square, p means 5 square, minus 8 into 5. What we have done? We have placed p equals to 5. Now, 5 into 25 minus 8 into 5, 40. Beta, 5 into 25, 125 minus 40. So, the value 125 minus 40 is 85. So, beta, this is the answer of the part 3. Now, the last part of this question, fourth part. Beta, we have to write p equals to 5 for each question, each part. Now, we have to solve the value of p cube minus 4p square plus p. P, 5 cube minus 4 into 5 square plus 5. Beta, 5 cube means 5 into 5 minus 4 into 5 square is 25 plus 5. Now, beta, 5 into 5, it is 125 minus. Beta, 4 into 25, 100 plus 5. Now, we will add these two positive numbers together. So, 125 plus 5, 130 minus 100. So, beta, finally, the difference is coming 30. Thanks. This is the answer of the part 4. I hope the concept is clear. Beta, this is the question number 4 of your exercise B. Beta, in the first part, it is given that we have to put x equals to 0, where in the given polynomial 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Now beta, 5 into 0 square minus 3 into 0 plus 7. 5 into 0, 0 minus 3 into 0, 0 plus 7. So the answer of this part is 7. Now beta, in second part, it is given that x equals to 3 and we have to put it in the given polynomial 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Now beta, 5 into 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus 7. 5 into 9 minus 9 plus 7. Beta, 5 9 ja 45 minus 9 plus 7. Now 45 and 7 both are positive, so they will be added. 45 plus 7, 52 minus 9. Now beta, 52 minus 9 is equal to 43. So beta, this is the answer of part second. Now beta, we are solving the part 3. Here it is given that x equals to minus 4 and this value we have to put in the given polynomial 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Now we write here equal to sign 5 into minus 4 square minus 3 x equals to minus 4 plus 7. Now beta, 5 into minus 4 square would be positive 16 minus 3 into minus 4 positive 12 plus 7. 5 into 16 is 80 plus 12 plus 7. Beta, the sum of all these three terms is 99. Hence, this is the answer of part 3. Now beta, we are solving the part 4. Here we have to put x equals to 1 upon 2, where we have to put in the given polynomial 5x square minus 3x plus 7. So beta, when we put, we get 5 into 1 upon 2 square minus 3 into 1 upon 2 plus 7. Now 5 into 1 upon 4 minus 3 upon 2 plus 7. Beta, 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 2 plus 7. Now we have to solve this fraction. Since in denominator there are two numbers 4 and 2 and the LCM of denominator is 4. So we will 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 2. Beta, we will multiply by 2 in both numerator and denominator plus 7 and we will multiply by 4 in both numerator and denominator. Now 5 upon 4 minus 6 upon 4 plus 7 4 are 28 upon 4. Beta, 4 is the LCM, 5 minus 6 plus 28. Beta, these two numbers 5 and 28 both are positive number, So they will become 33, and this is minus 6 as it is upon 4. Beta 33 minus 6 will be 27 upon 4. Now 4 6 are 24, 3 upon 4. Beta, this is the answer of the part 4. Please practice this multiple times so that you become smart and efficient. Beta, here in each question, for each question, it is given that x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. And these value we have to put in the given equation. What is the given equation? 3x plus 4y. So beta 3, the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 2. So beta 3 1 ja 3, 4 2 ja 8. The answer should be 11. So the answer of the first part is 11. I hope the concept is clear. Now beta, in the second part, for all part, we have to put x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. Where in the second part, the equation is given as minus 2x plus 9y minus 2. The value of x is 1. The value of y is 2. So beta, at the place of y, we have put 2. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2, plus 9 2 ja 18. Beta, minus 2 plus 18, it is 16. Hence, the answer is 16. Now beta, we are solving the third part. For every part, x equals to 1 and y equals to 2, we have to put in the given equation. Beta, what is the given equation? 5x minus 3y. Now, shall we put? So, 5, 1, the value of x is 1, and 3, the value of y is 2. Now, beta, 5 into 1, 5, minus 3, 2 ja 6. 5 minus 6, minus 1. So, beta, this is the answer of the third part. Now, the fourth part. We have to put x equals to 1 and y equals to 2 in the given equation. What is the given equation? X plus 5y minus 6. Now, beta, the value of x is 1, value of y is 2. Now, 1 plus 5 2 ja 10 minus 6. 1 plus 10, 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6, 5. Hence, the answer of this part is 5. I hope the concept is clear. Beta, now, question number 6 is on the screen of your exercise B. For every part in the question number 6, it is given that a equals to 6 and b equals to 3. So beta, we have to find the value of a square plus b square. Here a is given as 6 and b is given as 3. Now beta, 6 square will be 36 and 3 square will be 9. 30 plus 6 plus 9, 45. This is the answer of the part 1. Now we are solving the part 2. Beta, part 2, in each part we have to put a equals to 6 and b equals to 3. What we have to find? We have to find the value of minus 10 ab. So beta, minus 10 as it is, the value of a is 6, the value of b is 3. Beta, minus 10 into the value of b is 3. So I need to write here 3. Now 6 3 ja 18. So the answer is minus 10 into 18. It is minus 180. So beta, this is the answer of part 2. Now we have to solve the part 3. For each part, it is given that a equals to 6 and b equals to 3. And we have to find the value of a square plus ab plus b square. So beta 6 square plus 6 into 3 plus 3 square. Beta 6 square is 36. 6 3 ja 18 and 3 square is 9. Now the sum of these three terms is 63. So beta, this is the answer of the part 3 here. Now we will solve the part 4. Beta, for every part, it is given that a equals to 6 and b equals to 3. And there we have to put the values. We have to put the values in a plus b whole square, because we have to find the value of a plus b whole square. Now 6 a equals to 6 and b equals to 3 whole square. Beta 6 plus 3 9 and the square of 9 is 81. So this is the answer of the part 4. Now beta, we are solving the part 5th. So we are solving the part 5th now. For every part, it is given that a equals to 6 and b equals to 3. Now we have to find the value of b square minus a square. B means 3 square. A means 6 square. Now 9 minus 8, 36. 9 minus 36. Beta 9 minus 36 is equal to minus 27. Hence, the correct answer is minus 27. Beta, we will solve now the 6th part. Here we have to put the same values, a equals to 6 and b equals to 3. What we have to find, beta? We have to find 3 a upon b. Now 3 a upon b means the value of a is 6 and the value of b is 3. So 3 into 2, because 3 2 ja 6. So beta 3 2 ja 6. The answer is coming 6. I hope the concept is clear. Now beta, we will solve the part 7. The part 7, in each part we have to put a equals to 6 and b equals to 3. Now we have to find the value of a upon b plus b upon a. So beta, a means 6, b means 3 and b means 3, a upon 3 upon 6. What we have done, we have put the value a equals to 6 and b equals to 3. Now beta, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Beta, 2 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2. Now the LCM of denominator is 2. So 2 upon 1 will be multiplied by 2 upon 2. Now plus 1 upon 2. So beta, it will become 4 upon 2 and it is 1 upon 2. Now the denominator is same. it will be 4 plus 1. Hence, it is 5 upon 2. So, beta, this is the answer of for the part 7th. Now, all the parts of this question has been solved. Now, we are solving question number 7. Here, p equals to minus 4 and q equals to 1 is given. And in the first part, we have to find the value of 2pq. So, beta, here we will put p equals to minus 4, q equals to 1. Now, 2 into minus 4, it is minus 8 into 1. Minus 8 into 1, minus 8. Hence, this is the answer of the first part. Now, we are solving the second part. Beta, in this question, it is given that p equals to minus 4 and q equals to 1. And we have to find the value of p square minus q square. Now, p means minus 4 whole square minus q means 1 whole square. Here, minus 4 whole square will be 16 minus 1. So, it will be 15. Hence, the value of second part is coming 15. This is the answer. Now, beta, we will solve the third part. For each part, it is given that p equals to minus 4 and q equals to 1. Here, we have to find the value of 1 plus p square plus q square. Now, 1 is as it is, and p is given as minus 4 whole square, and q is given 1 whole square. 1 beta, negative 4 whole square is 16, positive 16 plus 1. So, the answer is 18. Now, the fourth part. The same question is given, and here p equals to minus 4 and q equals to 1 is given. And we have to find the value of 2p square plus 7pq plus q square. Now, 2p equals to minus 4 whole square, 7 minus 4 into 1 and plus 1 whole square. Actually, we have put p equals to minus 4 and q equals to 1 in the given equation. Now, 2 into minus 4 square will be 16. 7 to minus 4, it will be minus 28. And 1 square is positive 1. Beta 16 to ja 32 minus 28 plus 1. Now 33 minus 28. So the difference will be 5. Hence, the answer of the fourth part is coming 5. Now here, this is the question number 8 of your book. Now beta, the first part, Beta, for each part, it is given that x equals to 1, y equals to 2, and z equals to 3. In the first part, we have to find the value of 2x plus 3y plus 7z. Now beta, 2 into 1, x equals to 1, 3, y equals to 2, and beta z equals to 3. 2 1 ja 2, 3 2 ja 6, 7 3 ja 21. Now, the answer is coming 29. Hence, the answer is 29 for the first part. Now beta, we will solve the second part. For every part, x equals to 1, y equals to 2, and z equals to 3 are given. And we have to find the value of x minus 2y minus 3z. Beta, value of x is 1 minus 2. Value of y is 2 minus 3. Value of z is 3. Beta, 1 minus 4 minus 9. Beta, minus 4 and minus 9 will be added and will be equal to minus 13. Now 1 minus 13 is equal to minus 12. So beta, this is the answer of second part. Now beta, we have to solve the part 3. Here x equals to 1, y equals to 2, and z equals to 3 are given. And beta, we have to find the value of minus 6 plus 4y minus 5z plus 3 minus 6. Beta, the value of x is 1, the value of y is 2, value of y z is 3. Now beta, minus 6 into 1 minus 6, 4 2 ja 8, minus 15 plus 3. Now beta, so 8 and 3 are 11, and minus 6 and minus 15 is minus 21. Now 11 minus 21 minus 10. Hence, the answer is minus 10. So beta, we have solved all the parts of the question number 8. Now beta, this is the question number 9 of your exercise B. For each part, it is given that a equals to minus 2, b equals to minus 3, and c equals to 2. And beta, we have to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. The value of a is minus 2 whole square. The value is minus 3, so minus 3 whole square. Value of c is 2, 2 whole square. Beta, square of negative is positive, so minus 2 square is equal to 4, minus 3 square is 9, and the 2 square is 4. Here 8 plus 9, it means the answer is coming 17. Now we will solve the part B. A equals to minus 2, b equals to minus 3, and c equals to 2 is given. Here we need to find the value of 4a, b, c. So beta, a equals to minus 2, b equals to minus 3, and c equals to 2. Beta, minus 2 into minus 3, positive 6. Now It is coming 48. Hence, this is the answer. Now we are solving the part 3. Now beta, for every question, for every part of this question, it is given that a equals to -2, b equals to -3, and c equals to 2. And we have to find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. Now, the value of a is -2, the value of b is -3, value of b is -3, value of c is 2, value of c is 2, and value of a is -2. Okay, so beta, this negative into negative, positive 6, and negative into 2, positive, negative 6, and positive to negative, negative 4. Now beta, 6 minus 10, it will become -4. This is the answer of the part 3. Now we are solving the fourth part. It is given that a equals to -2, b equals to -3, c equals to 2. And we have to find the value of 3ab minus 4bc plus 5ca. So beta, 3, the value of a is -2, value of b is -3, -4, value of b is -3, value of c is 2, plus 5 times of the value of c is 2, and the value of a is -2. Now 3 into 6 minus 4 into -6, plus 5 into 4, 5 into 4, इसको मैं लिखता हूँ -4 ब्रैकेट के अंदर. Now बेटा, 3 6 18, negative into negative, positive 24, plus 5 into -4, -20. Now beta, 18 plus 24, it is 52. Sorry, it is 42 minus 20. Now, if we subtract these, we get 22. So beta, this will be the answer for the part 4th. I hope the concept is clear. Now beta, we are solving the last part. Here it is given that a equals to -2, b equals to -3, and c equals to 2. And we have to find the value of ab upon c plus 1. Now beta, plus 9. Now beta, value of a is -2, value of b is -3, and value of c is 2 plus 9. Now, negative into negative, positive 6 upon 2 plus 9. It will become 3 plus 9. And beta, 3 plus 9 is 12. This is the answer. Hence, all the part of this question has been solved. Please practice well. Beta, question number 10. I'm solving this. Here x equals to 4, y equals to -6 and z equals to 5 are given. And we have to find the value of x square plus y square plus z square plus xy plus yz plus zx. Now let's find the values. So x equals to 4, 4 whole square. Y equals to -6, -6 whole square. And z equals to 5, 5 whole square. Here x equals to 4, y equals to -6. And now y equals to -6 and z equals to 5 plus beta z equals to 5 and x equals to 4. Now beta 4 square will be 16 and negative 6 square will be positive 36 and 5 square will be 25. Now 4 6 are 24, negative 24 because positive to negative is negative. And here -6 into 5 -30 plus 5 4 are 20. Now beta, what will we do? We will add all these positive numbers together. So beta 16 plus 36, it is 52. 52 plus 25, 77. 70 plus 77 plus 20, 97. Minus 24 and 30, it is minus 54. Now beta, 7 minus 4, 3. 9 minus 4, 5, 4. So its value is coming 43. And it is the given. So we have proved. So we will write hence x square plus y square plus xy plus yz plus zx equals to 43. This is the answer beta. Now beta, question number 11, and this is the last question of your exercise B. So question number 11. Here it is given that P equals to 3, Q equals to -4, and we have to find the value of P plus Q upon P minus Q. So beta, P is given as 3 plus Q is given as -4. P is given as 3 and it is given as -4. Now beta, 3 minus 4 upon 3 plus 4. Beta 3 minus 4 is equal to -1 and is 7. And this negative sign can be written anywhere like negative 1 upon 7. -1 upon 7 or negative 1 upon 7. Hence this is the answer. Now we are solving the second part. The same values P equals to 3 and Q equals to -4 are given. And we need to find the value of PQ upon P square plus Q square. So beta, value of P is 3 and value of Q is -4. Now 3 square plus minus Q square. 3 into -4, -12. 3 square 9. And actually this is 4. This is minus 4. So beta, negative 4 square will be positive 16. So minus 12 upon 25. Hence, this is the answer. What is the answer? That minus 12 upon 25. And it is of no use, this one, because we are already writing down. So the second part is solved. But we are solving the third part. Third part is given. Actually, first of all, we should write the values. P equals to 3 and Q equals to minus 4. And the third part that we have to calculate is P square plus Q square upon Q square minus P square. Now beta, I am putting P equals to 3, so 3 square. Q equals to minus 4, so minus 4 whole square, divided by Q minus 4 whole square minus P 3 whole square. Finally beta, 3 square is 9 and minus 4 square is 16, divided by minus 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9. 9 plus 16, 25, and 16 plus 9, 7. Beta, this is the answer. Now beta, the whole exercise B is done. So practice well and get smart.